Hey, what's up? It's me, Jeremy, and I'm going to take you backstage, showtime, and what happens after the show. Tonight, I have two shows, 7:30 and 9:30 p.m. like so. And the time now is 5:06 p.m. So if you're ready, let's go! Over the past year, I've been on board the Celebrity Millennium, traveling between different ports in Japan and South Korea. So after setting up the show, doing a tech run and all that, now I'm back in my cabin, just got need to shower, and then to showtime. What?
So please put your hands together, go wild and crazy, and welcome to the stage, Jeremy Tan!
Thank you very much, thank you. Please, don't stop, come on. Celebrity Millennium, make some noise! It's not around anymore, like most of it has been extinct, yes? Are you thinking of dinosaurs by any chance?
Yeah.
Turtles?
What?
For the very first time, tell everyone, honestly, what are you thinking of?
Ice cream.
Christine, just so you know, you are in the splash zone right now. Oh, you're a big guy, okay. Stand over here. Let's take a step forward. Hi. One hand blindfolded. Here we go. I think you are my follower, that's why you said what? I saw my videos, yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much, thank you.
It was fantastic. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you. It's amazing.
You inspired me to learn the Rubik's Cube.
Sure, yes.
Can
you give me that screen? I won't be working with Lucian.
So that's me done. Thank you for being part of the journey with me on this video. Thank you for watching this video. You guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.